Hello, friends. Today is 19th of March, and the last week has been very, I would say, ups and downs, very volatile in your mind. Your mind has not been stable. You've not been able to sleep well. You're not concentrating on a lot of things, and you are, in a slight bit of a daze. Why is this happening? Why am I not able to reconcile to a lot of things? This is purely because there was a big lunar eclipse on the 14th, and we now have on the 29th a partial solar eclipse. The other big event is that Saturn is going to transit into Pisces after 2.5 years in Aquarius, of which sign he was the Lord. There is a lot of unknowing and rumors that Saturn will cause a lot of harm, it will hurt people, it will cause geopolitical risk. I'll try and clear that. See, Saturn is now, when he was in Aquarius, he was the Lord of Aquarius, but the houses he saw, Saturn sees with his third aspect, with his seventh aspect, and with his 10th aspect. His third aspect, he was seeing Aries. His seventh aspect, he was seeing Leo. And his 10th aspect, he was seeing Scorpio. Aries and Scorpio are owned by Mars, and he's Saturn's enemy. And so is Leo's Lord, that is Sun. Both are enemies. So the three houses, that is Aries, Leo, and Scorpio, did not see anything in the last 2.5 years. In fact, your problems may have all got worse than getting better, and it has been a tough time for particularly these three sun signs. Now Saturn is going into Pisces. When he's in Pisces, the lord of Pisces is Jupiter, and Jupiter is neither a friend nor a foe. He's an equal mate of Saturn and acts as and when what Saturn will do. Saturn firstly will be with 5 planets there, which is a rare occurrence: Rahu, exalted Venus, debilitated Mercury, and Sun. And Saturn is also being combust from 24th February and will come out of combustion when he enters into Pisces. These 5 planets will see little bit of volatility, but I would say that it is the beginning of good times. Firstly, from there Saturn will see Taurus, and he will see Jupiter sitting in Taurus. He's sitting with the lord of Taurus, that is Venus. Secondly, he's seeing Virgo, and the lord of Virgo, that is Mercury, sitting with him. And thirdly, he's seeing Sagittarius. Again, the lord of Sagittarius, Jupiter, is being aspected by Saturn in Taurus. However, the underlying is that Saturn has Rahu along with him, and Rahu is a chavi of Saturn, meaning he follows Saturn. But there will be a crossing. Rahu is on his way. He's in the last 1.5 degrees of Pisces, and he enters into Aquarius around the 14th, 15th of May. So when he crosses Saturn around the 14th of April, there can be some sort of little volatility, maybe little geopolitical risk, some earthquakes or something like that, a tremor. But I think it will be very untoward. It is not going to be too much of a stress. On the other hand, the 3 signs, that is Venus, Mercury, and Jupiter, are headed for very good times. I think after the 15th of April, you should see the best time you have seen in the last 2.5 years. So here's a thumbs up to Saturn when he's entering Pisces. Don't get caught on by the people who try and spread fear and rumor mongering, because I think you're headed for much good times. See you and all the best.